finally just came in, which I'm really excited about because I've been wanting new taillights for a while now, given the fact that my F80 is a 2015 and it has the pre-LCI taillights. And not to mention, a light, somehow one of the taillights has been malfunctioning for like 6 months now. The taillight has been throwing a code every time I turn on the car. And I've just been waiting for Black Friday sales to get these just because saving $30 on them is that big of a deal to me, apparently. I like getting good deals, what can I say? And I did a lot of research in regards to where I should order them and what brand, because obviously I'm very picky when it comes to that stuff too, especially with the fitment. But after doing a bunch of research, the VLAND ones are pretty much what everyone recommended and said that the fitment's damn near perfect. You just got to trim a few tabs. So that's what I went with, and that's what I'll be doing. And obviously I'll do a little install video here for you guys. But yeah, damn, these look so much better than what I got currently. Okay, so let's get this install done. So my M3 is actually a 2015, which means I have the pre-LCI taillights, which in my opinion are definitely outdated looking. So these are going to be the tools you guys need. You're going to need the Phillips head, prying tools to get some of the plastic tabs off, something to cut the tabs on the actual new taillights, and then a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Okay, so first let's start unbolting some stuff. What you're going to need to do before anything is, there's 8 of these little plastic screws with tabs. One there, one here, you got another one up here. Same thing goes for the other side, and then you got 4 on the front, right there, there. Okay, so that's 8 total, and then you got the 2 big ones right here in the center. Okay, next you have to take this plastic cover off. The best way to do that is squeeze the plastic together and simply pop these off. So something you guys can do, but you don't have to, if you want to get the entire liner out of the way, is also pull the emergency release tab off. And how you would do that is simply you'd push and then you'd pull the metal piece out. Next you want to take out the sensor and do that for both sides. And now you simply have one 10mm bolt that you need to take out, and then the part of the trunk light is good to come out. And there it is, guys. Okay, before I put new taillights in the trunk, we're gonna clean all that up because it'd be a sin not to clean that. Now that I got the other taillight in, I'm going to plug in the connectors, and since mine's a 2015, I'm going to utilize this one. For any of you guys who have a 2016 and up, you'd use this bigger one. Now it's time to remove the taillight from the quarter panel, and so we're going to start by taking this plastic trim off. And then once you have this tab out, you can simply pull this right off, pull it up and out. And definitely make sure to clean all that dirt out as well. And all you're going to do is remove these 2 and pull the taillight right out. Alright, so once you've cleaned that area up, now it's time to install this taillight. So what you need to do is there's also 2 little connectors. One says 2013 to 2015, the other one says 2016 and up. So obviously for mine, we have to use the 2013-2015. And then you're going to fish this wire through this hole right here. And in the back of this, all you need to do is pop out this little tab, pull this back, and then you'll be able to fish through that hole into there, up through here. And then you're gonna end up connecting it right up top. Okay, now before we install the taillight, we still have to trim off this piece right here, because if we don't, this is what would typically go into the hole where now the wiring is. Okay, I got all the wiring done, so let's test it out before putting the car back to normal. Hey! And that's about it for this video, guys. Overall, I'm really happy with the taillights. I think that it's a must-do mod for any F80 owner. It updates the back end that much more. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description if you guys want to purchase them. If you have any questions, just also shoot them my way. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, stay driven, and I'll catch you guys next video.